Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some additional options for creating a sphere primitive. Let's go ahead and activate the sphere command. You'll remember that we basically had two parameters to set, the center point and the diameter or radius. Let me take a home view. Let's select a center point. By default, I'll be next prompted to select the radius, but I'm going to right-click and scroll down to diameter. Now I'll left-click to place the total diameter of the sphere. This time, instead of selecting a center point, I'm going to right-click and use the three-point method. First point, second point, and third point. Activate the tool again. Let's right-click and scroll to the two-point method. First point and second point sets the diameter. For our next option, I'm going to need a couple lines. I'm going to demonstrate the tangency method. Now activate the sphere command. Right-click and scroll to TTR, tangent, tangent, radius. Select our first point of tangency, the second point of tangency. Third click sets the radius. Let's say 1 unit, press Enter. As you see, the sphere is a pretty simple solid. This concludes our tutorial about additional options for creating a sphere.